Hello, welcome to Masonicare, Chester Village. It's grilling season. I'm Chef Matthew Whitbeck, and here I am going to be grilling you today a New York strip steak with a pesto compound butter, grilled mesquite corn, and grilled romaine salad, side of roasted potatoes, grilled asparagus. So here we are. I actually got started off already with some potatoes. What I do is I tent some foil. We have this beer right here is not for me, it is for the potatoes. We use some butter, we do some American lager with some onions, salt, pepper, and fresh garlic. So we toss that, we fold it up into the foil, and then we cover it. So that'll take about 15 to 20 minutes. Next, we have our steak out here, just kind of resting. We salt, pepper, and we got the grill nice and hot. You want it nice and hot to get those searing and the marks and retain the moisture of the steaks. So first thing, because that's going to take the next longest, I'm going to throw those on. So the steaks we like to use are Choice Certified Angus. So that is the steak we're using today. So next I am actually going to be throwing on our corn. So with our corn, we got our kind of mesquite flavor, a little paprika, a little cumin, and a mesquite season. So we're gonna get that, a little bit of olive oil. And we're gonna kind of roll that around, get that nice and covered. Also too, a little lemon zest is in there as well, a little acidity. And we're gonna throw that right on the grill. It's good to kind of get a nice char. It actually cooks up the sugars, caramelizes it a little bit, and you won't get that burnt flavor. So next we're gonna do the asparagus. So pretty much the same way. I'm gonna do a little bit of olive oil, a little bit of salt and pepper. I'm gonna toss that around a little bit. I'm gonna throw these right on the grill as well. So we got a full grill, and this is what summer's all about. It's about getting out there, getting some sunshine, but also cooking some great food in the process. So similar to the asparagus, we're gonna take our romaine. The thing I like about this is it kind of cooks the romaine to where you got a little bit of char on the outside, so it has a little crispiness, but the inside is very tender and flavorful. So again, you have the same ingredients. You have salt, pepper, toss a little bit of olive oil, and then right on the grill. And so when this is done, what we're gonna do is chop it up. We're gonna toss it with a little Parmesan and some Caesar dressing with a little tomato and house-made brioche croutons. So right there. As you can see, we're already getting a little char on the asparagus. And it just brings a whole new flavor when the grill, everything cooking together, the beef, the asparagus, the corn, the potatoes with the beer in it, and that, we're gonna close that and let those flavors meld together. All right, so now I have the potatoes. We put those on the plate off the grill that had the beer, the butter, and the salt, pepper, garlic, onions. Here is our asparagus. Again, salt, pepper, a little olive oil, our mesquite grilled corn, and then we have our grilled New York steak. And to top that off, I got a little compound butter with the pesto, our garden pesto from our own garden. That's where our basil is. So you got that on there. And here is our grilled Caesar salad. Got a little tomatoes, and our croutons, and then we're just gonna drizzle it with a little bit of Caesar dressing. There you go. Thank you for joining us today here at Masonicare at Chester Village.